Today I want to take a look at these Hempvana compression gloves. I suffer from painful hands and wrists from overuse and arthritis, and the discomfort not only happens when I use my hands, but also wakes me from sleep. So my doctor recommended some compression gloves to give me some support and compression, which could possibly help provide some relief. Now I came across these compression gloves by Hempvana, which was just what I was looking for. I love that I can wear them and still have use of my hands because of the fingerless design. I can still write, type, use my phone and everyday objects without having to remove the gloves. Compression on my hands, fingers, and wrists is just supported enough to add some gentle relief without cutting off the circulation. And the adjustable wristband is convenient in order to keep the glove secure. Now, I also love the textured palm grips, so picking up and holding everyday items is not slippery or an issue. The compression fabric is lightweight and breathable, so your hands don't get all sweaty, which I really appreciate at the times when I wear them to bed to give me some relief. Now, because they are compression, you should size them correctly to give you the maximum benefit. And just a quick note, they're not machine washable, so it's best to wash them by hand. I definitely recommend them as they are comfortable, practical, easy to wear, and they provide gentle support. And I hope this helps, but as for me, they're a definite gotta get.